Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to obviously open our browser, and in my case it would be Google Chrome. And now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove only one of it, two of them, or all manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But of course, if your list is so wide, then I believe that you don't want to waste your time to manually remove it. So I highly recommend to tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto-inform data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, I don't know, last 7 days or last 4 weeks, or even all time. So let me pick all time. And if you're ready, all you have to do is to simply tap on clear data. As you can see, we just got back immediately actually to the history, which is right now empty. So it simply means that we successfully removed everything, starting from the browsing history, so this list of the visited websites, and ending on, for example, auto-inform data. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browser in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.